Hello everyone, so I am back with my new tutorial again. In this, I have created a simple notepad, a drawing notepad, which I have applied some texture on it and some pencils or mechanical pencils I have made in it. So, watch this video till the end and thank you. So go to Blender file. Now click on general. Now delete these three. Now go to add, then mesh, then maths function. Now XYZ. So if you can't find this function here, go to edit preferences and write here extra. Now after writing, you have to click this checkbox and you will get that preferences add-ons on it. So go to maths function and xyz math surface, so you will find a certain shape. Now go to operator presets, then here from here you can try any shape you like. From here you can choose your own shape, or play with it. So I'm showing you some different shapes like this. You can see like this. So basically click on helix from here. So this will be the spring part of our notepad. So just adjust it from here properly as per you need. You can like this. So we are making a ring of our notepad. So for that, here you have to make certain changes in it like this. Just try to fix everything here. Now after that you will find we have made like this. Now let's press Ctrl 1 for subdividing it. Now go here, let's hide that wireframe. Go to viewport display. Now click on this wireframe, so it will be hidden like this. Now scale it little long like this. So we have created our spring part of our notepad. So keep it in middle. I like this. So let's make our notepads pages. So for that, first move it up here. Now go to add mesh, then select a plane. Now go to edit mode. And now adjust it as per your choice. Keep it little long, as much you require. You can keep it however you want. Keep it little wide from here. Like this, little long from the downside like this. So you can see this much will be perfect. So this will be our notepads pages. So for that we are making its pages. So one of our page is done. Now keep it little downward. Now press shift D for duplicating it. Now press G for grab, moving on grab tool. Now you can see, press A for selecting it whole. Now again shift D. Now G for grab, again press A. Now shift T. Now G for grab. So repeat this process again and again for making its pages like this. So so after completing it, you can see it will look like this. A page is done. Now press 3 and select one of its page. Now separate it like that. I am doing like this. So now once you have separated that, click on that separated part and then go to edit mode. Now add some loop cuts over here as it is requiring. So basically I am making it little curved, so adding for adding some realistic look on my notepad. If you want, you can make it, otherwise it's all up to you. You can also keep it still as it is, but I would like to prefer to curve its end part like this. As you have seen many notebooks how they are curved, so like that, just make it a little round curved like this. So once we have completed with that, now just right click and smooth shade it from here. So like this. So our notepad is done. Now press shift D for duplicating it. First of all, keep it here and shift D for duplicating it, like this. So we have made two notebooks, means note pads. So now just hide it by pressing H. Now let's make its pen part. So select a cylinder. Now keep its vertices on 12 as it is, like this. Now from this we are going to make its mechanical pencil or whatever you can say, like this. Now press E and just extrude it like this. Little scale it a bit for making it look sharper, like this. Now this is down part, make it little like this. Now scale it up, so it will add some shape to your pencil. And from here press again separate this part for making its lead part. So I have separated it. Now press A, then E for extruding it, press E, and Z for extruding it in straight path, like this. Then press S for scaling it down as it is its lid part, so like that. Now delete its under face here, like this, delete that. So this is its lid part. Now this is its mouth part. Now press E and S for extruding it, like this. Simply you have to try to create some shapes in it. So I want to keep this lid little long, so I will drag it up. You can decide your own choice, by your own choice, that however whatever you want to keep in it you can. You can also add some texture in it for making it look more attractive or eye catchy to the viewers, like this. Now select this part and just separate it too, as it is its that steel part. So like this. Now add some loop cuts tool for making it look little sharper at the hard, means making it hard surface, those part hard. After we will apply a subdivision, so it will look hard enough, like this. Now add some loop cuts tool wherever it is requiring, you can add. So you can see, so I have made certain changes into that. So I have skipped the video for not making your bore or something. So now let's make its down part, which will be its eraser. So just E for extruding it again, like this. Now add some shapes into it, again E, and just scale it little for giving it a eraser shape. Now add some this loop cuts tool, and after that delete its under face also, the same, like this. Now add one loop cut tool over here. Now press 3 and just select this hole, like this. Press shift D for duplicating, and you can see we will make this also in steel. So just scale it little, like this. You can see press we have not separated it, so just go here and separate it. So once it is separated, go here. Now click on solidify to add modifier and click on that. Now arrange its thickness like this. Now apply it from here. So you can see, now add some loop cuts like this. After adding, so just subdivide it, means smooth shaded. So after that we have finished with like this. Now let's add that handle part to our mechanical pencil. Now select it. Now press E and Z for extruding it, like this. Press E, then press Z for extruding it in straight part. Now just we are making its handle part, whatever you can say that. So like this, press E and just R for rotating it, for giving it some rounded shape, like this. Now just add some loop cuts tool for making that surface hard. So you can see the difference after adding loop cuts tool, what happens to it, like this. So like this, after adding that, add it at its bottom part also, one here and one from down, like this. So after that, once we have completed with our mechanical pencil, so this is done, like this. you, if you want, you could add some more details into it or anything. So let's bring our notepad, for press Ctrl H or Alt H for unhiding that, like this. Now let's color it first. So first we will color our pencil. So go here, we will give its lead color with black color, usually it is used. Now go to principal BSDF, now press glossy BSDF. Now arrange its color like this and just roughness little, like this. And now body part, you can choose your own color, means own color sense you like, you can choose, like this. Just if you want to keep the same color as it is, so go to HEX. Now select this color code. Now paste that color code over here by going to glossy BSDF. Now from here you can paste it. So you can see, now for eraser part, I will like to choose yellow color or orange, like this. So it is all good. So once we have completed with our mechanical pencil part, now don't forget to save your Blender file. Now let's move on to our notepad. So for that, first we will color this ring part. So this will be also in steel. Go to glossy BSDF. Now paste that color code so you can see, like this. Now let's decrease its roughness. Now let's add some texture to our this notepad's first page. So go to base color. Now select on image texture. Now from here you can choose any texture you like. So basically I have I have my drawings with me, so I will be using that drawing on my this model. So here, just go here and go select on texture. Now if you can't find, go to UV map, UV editing, sorry. Now from here, if you can't find that texture, so here you can. Now press A. Now just arrange it properly as you like. Press R for rotating it and decide the direction, like this. Now arrange it properly by scaling or doing like this. So I have decided to keep my drawings on it, so I am keeping. You can keep whatever you like, as it is notepad, so this will look nice, I think so. So like this, just arrange it properly as you like. Now once one part, means one notepad is completed, now on another also do the same. You can duplicate it 100 times as you like, and you can add as much textures into it, like this. Now I have selected my another drawing for it. So this is Harry Potter's drawing, like this. Now press A, then now just scale it properly. like this. Just scale it whole like this. So this is also done, the texturing part. Now the final part is our rendering part. So once we have completed with it, you can see the result like this. It is looking perfect. So now add a table onto it. So go to add mesh, then select a plane. Now again just scale it. For it we are not going to make a table, we will add some, means add a texture of a table. So for that just bring a plane and just arrange it. And after that again go to add mesh, then select a cube for adding a wall. Now after that go to add new. Now select a image texture, then basically it is our table part, so I will like to add a wood texture into it. So just apply a wood texture onto it like this, scale it little and like this. So you can see. Now after that just you can see that texture is too, means huge. So for that select it and just scale it like this, so it will be in proper shape like this. So you can see. Now just arrange it properly for getting your render results. Select it whole. Now arrange it properly. Press R for rotating it and just keep it over here. So after arranging it properly, I have skipped the video for not getting you bored. Again, I'm saying. So like this, now give it its wall color, any color you like. Now add a background texture to it. Go here, now open a background texture. So here it is. You can see I have added a background texture onto it. So it is giving some light like this. If you want to add some lights, so you can add, press 0 for camera view or add a camera, as I'm adding it like this. Just scale it and render it in cycles for getting a very nice render results like this from here. So this is our model done like this. Here I have added 2 mechanical pencils and 2 notepads. You can add as much you want. You can just give it any color you like, your choice, you decide like this. Now this is my final result, render result. Press F12 for getting the final render results. So here it is. So hope you like my tutorial and find it helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Till then, bye, take care and thank you.